Alright, these will be one set of elevators at Terminal B at a San Antonio airport in San Antonio, Texas. It's all steel inside. Let's do our cab view. Typical airport style elevator. And there's Alpaljl. He's just along for the ride. Yeah, you can push two.
Drop doors.
Cool. And we're gonna go back to 1, then we'll get off at 2 after that. I was hoping these would be glass. Because it's a newer terminal, but I guess not. Let's switch sides.
Yeah, good idea.
Go to 2.
What's this one? Oh,
it's in a phone jack thing. Wait, I want to see if we can get the other elevator.
Switch up here or down there?
Over here.
Yeah, 4-door operator.
Wait, actually, I think this one is carded off.
Look.
Oh, I guess it works.
Probably just not going to let you go out.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, it doesn't work. EPIC, fail. Oh, we can go to 1. I think we need to get off this elevator, though.
Well, it's on one controller, but yeah. Oh, this one does go to 0 now?
No, we can't go. I kind of don't.
You can.
Yeah, I don't really want to be riding this. Wait, I think you can only go between 1 and 2. Actually, no, what? I think you can ride it.
No, you can. They're on one controller.
Oh, okay. Let's do our cab view then. Okay.
I don't know.
Well, if we get bus, I'll say I wasn't aware. I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah, it gives you the directory.
Oh, there's a directory on there? Okay, then this is a public elevator, just service style. Let's get off here.
And then obviously 2 more than that one.
Okay, yeah, let's get off
here. That operator's been scaring me.
There it goes. And that's it.